Why does my kitchen range hood affect indoor comfort? A kitchen range hood affects indoor comfort because it removes heat, moisture, smoke, odors, and sometimes conditioned air from your home. When you cook, burners and ovens release heat, steam, grease particles, and gases into the kitchen. The hood captures these pollutants and sends them outdoors through a duct, helping the air feel fresher and safer. Strong ventilation can also prevent moisture from spreading into nearby rooms, where it may cause condensation, peeling paint, or mold growth. However, an exhaust hood removes indoor air, so replacement air must enter through cracks, doors, windows, or a planned fresh air opening. In winter, that incoming air can feel cold, while in summer it can bring in hot, humid air that makes your cooling system work harder. A powerful hood may also create negative pressure, which can pull air backward through a fireplace, wood stove, or fuel-burning appliance. This backdraft can bring dangerous carbon monoxide into the home. One lesser-known detail is that a hood with a short, smooth, properly sized duct usually moves air more quietly and effectively than a powerful hood connected to a long, narrow, bend-filled duct. To improve comfort, use the hood whenever you cook, keep filters clean, and ask a qualified professional whether your home needs planned replacement air. A common mistake is choosing a hood based only on appearance, so check its airflow rating, noise level, and duct size before buying. Another mistake is assuming that a recirculating hood removes moisture, because it usually filters grease and odors but sends heat and steam back into the room. Venting outdoors works better when possible. People also forget that a strong hood can affect fireplaces and gas appliances, so have combustion safety checked if the hood causes drafts, unusual flames, or headaches. Finally, do not ignore dirty filters, because buildup reduces airflow and increases fire risk. Clean or replace them according to the manufacturer's instructions. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.